About how can you fix this problem on your Catch Render app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on settings down here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. So you just waiting to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for here Catch Runner app, or just click here on search. So then here add Catch Runner, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Just click here on force stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. Then here it's going to show for you, so just switching to open video here. Here you search for Catch Runner, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.